Dr. Dan, and today we're going to talk about sweeteners, specifically high fructose corn syrup. Now you'd be surprised at how many items contain this ingredient. Cookie crumbs, honey glaze, mustard glaze, pop, fruit punch, lemonade, chocolate milk, tonic water, cranberry juice, Powerade, smoothies, Wonder Bread, breakfast cereals, pancakes, candy bars, lifesavers, ketchup, barbecue sauce, Miracle Whip, cookies, Pop-Tarts, crackers, wheat thins, fruit and vegetable paste, jellies, syrups including cough syrups, pastries, salad dressing, soups, and a lot more. So why is it so popular? Well, it's sweeter and cheaper to make. It consists of a 55 to 45% ratio of fructose to glucose in an unbound form. That means your body doesn't need to digest it. It can just go straight into the liver. When it gets into the liver, it triggers a release of insulin, which causes your body to start storing fat. What's the difference between high fructose corn syrup and sugar? Well, sugar is a mixture of 1 glucose to 1 fructose, and it's bound by a molecule. So your body has to actually digest it before it can get to the liver. Now, glucose is the preferred source of energy for your whole body. Fructose is treated more like a fat. So when your liver gets the fructose, it starts to trigger fat storage cells, and it starts to store the fat. Now, the use of high fructose corn syrup has shot up over 1,000% from 1970 to 1990. And it's estimated now that every American will consume roughly 60 pounds of it per year. So over 69% of people over the age of 20 are considered overweight, and of those, over 35% are considered obese. Now, it's a really popular item in a lot of foods that are lower quality and not very good for you. If you see it as one of the first 2 ingredients, that means the majority of that product is high fructose corn syrup, and you should do your best to stay away from it.